Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually extract the wpress format that's created by all-in-one WP migration plugin by ServeMask. So the first thing to do is to download this software from GitHub, wpress-extractor. I will share a link in the description. So go ahead and download that software. I got mine here. And the next thing is just to create some folder where you plan to extract the backup. So let's call that backup. Okay, now let's put the software that we downloaded into that folder along with the actual backup that you want to use. But this software has some issues with long file names, so let's just rename this to something like sol. Whatever. Okay, so the next thing is to give the instructions to this software to extract this sol file into this backups folder. So first we're gonna type cd c what do we call the folder backup. So now we're opening the folder, and now we're gonna give instructions to open the backup with this software. So we're gonna type wpress extractor, and I'm gonna type the file name, file extension wpress, just type extractor, and that's it. As you can see, the extraction is running. Depending on the actual size of the backup, it may take a while. Also, one thing to keep in mind, if we want to extract multiple backups with this tool, we have to close the command prompt after each time, and we can't use the same file name or we'll get a bunch of errors. So we can't use the sol file for extraction twice, only once per machine. Other than that, this software is really the best alternative to extract backups from the migration plugin. So it's running. And once the software is done, we're gonna get a message saying all done, and then we can safely close the command prompt. If we close the command prompt before the backup is fully extracted, we'll only get some files. It won't be completed in the background. So it's doing okay for now. Yeah, it's up to plugins now. Here are the upload files. Now the database, now it's done. You see that all done message. Now it's safe to close the prompt, and we got all the files from the backup. That's it. Hope this is helpful. As I said, I will share the link for this software in the description. See you.